It's day 4, the final day of my wellness yoga retreat with Jo-Hanna, and I must say it has been good. For those who are new here, if let me just introduce myself. I'm Stasia Alicia, and I am on a healing journey. Most persons would consider me vegan or plant-based, and there are times that I will go on raw food challenges as well, where I only eat raw, which means fruits, vegetables, not seeds. So in reality, let's say I'm vegetarian, because the truth is I don't eat fish, meat, dairy, but vegetarian really means eating things that vegetate, and the only things that vegetate we know are gut. This is day 4, and I am really excited about this journey. There was day 1, 2, and 3. So if you have not yet watched day 1, 2, or 3, then go and watch that first before you watch day 4, right? And I leave the links for all 3 days in the description. So watch those, then come back to this. Promise me? Promise me? All right. I'm going to be going to see what's for breakfast today. Jo-Hanna has been superb, and so come with me to the kitchen. All right, so I got a WhatsApp from Jo-Hanna to say that my breakfast is in the fridge, so let's check it out. Okay, fruits. All right, so the plate has on cucumber slices, tangerine, pineapple, jumbillin or star fruit, some fermented beetroot, and a banana jam that Jo-Hanna made. So I'm going to be using the cucumber and then eating it with the jam. Let's see how that tastes. Right, so now I'm going to make my herbal tea. Jo-Hanna has a herbal corner, right, where she has herbal things. So I had brought soursop leaves, moringa and noni, but that's now finished. So let's see what I will have. She has soursop, so this is good. I put that there. She has vervain. Ooh, vervain is good for the nerves, so that's good. What's this one? Can't read that. Oh, she has moringa as well. So I think I found my 3 that I'll be using today. All right, so the next thing I'm having is some more coconut water. Look what Jo-Hanna come in with. Look at this.
All of this for $4,200.
Whoa, and what's in it?
So we're looking at cranberries, pinto bean, cannellini, quinoa, broad bean, red lentils, chia seeds, pink Himalayan salt, cashew.
Ooh, cashew.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Chef, she's a plug. All right, so it's smoothie time again. There's frozen banana in there and papaya. Yes, let's believe that papaya is in there. All right.
Banana.
And then an unfrozen banana going in there now.
Me say roots and fruits are my favorite meal. Me no need no chicken, I don't coffee me feel.
Alright, so she said protein smoothie. She added some cashew, peanut butter and sunflower seeds.
I sure did, and I'm going to add in some hemp seeds.
Hemp seed.
Alright, so come and see with the hemp seeds.
Right, some hemp seeds going in now. And remember, don't ask us for no measurements. The ancestors decide.
Always and forever.
That's hemp?
This is chia
seeds. Okay.
And then we're going to put a little camel powder in there.
A little oat milk. And a little bit of oats, cinnamon, nutmeg, And we're ready to blend.
Me say roots and fruits are my favorite meal. Me no need no chicken and a cow for me feel.
Ready?
Coconut water, me sip it cool. Inna my book the fruits them rule. Me love me ital, me keep it roots. Me no yam no meat. Me prefer me fruits. I want me eat. But still I ask. Me belly full and me health up to the task. Ital vibe.
A couple hours after I had this, then I had a yoga session with Jo-Hanna in the evening. Alright, so next thing I'm having is this salad. It have bare things in there. Carrot.
Bean salad.
Oh, it's a broad bean salad. So it have broad bean, it have carrot, corn, lettuce, cashew sauce, cashew and walnut sauce, cucumber, and
China scotch bonnet, and tangerine.
oh yes, and tangerine. Alrighty. Thanks again for watching, and yes, if you're wondering, I did go to the hairdresser. But anyway, remember, if you have not yet watched day 1, 2 or 3, go watch them now, man, and support the thing. All right, leave some positive vibes and energy in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. One love.
Inna my book the fruits them rule.